Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurjana. My major computer is accounting, class AK Intake 1S. I will explain the presentation of Group 1 until Group 8. Group 1 about interview preparation. Before looking for a job, the preparation for a job interview that you can do are two. 1. Finding out our potential. Example, character, talent, soft and hard skill. 2. Finding out about the position and job that are applied for. You can do this by reading the job description in each job vacancy. 3. Do your research. About company profile. About the background, product or service offered, the company vision and mission, and the last, new relation to the company. B. Interview location. Look for the location on Google Map. Learn the route you are going to pass, whether the area is prone to traffic jam or not. C. Transportation. Review of the transportation used to and from the test site. 4. Practice interview. Pay attention to your expression and gesture when speaking. Make sure testing reflects the prepared ethic of the job interview, which is polite, friendly, and authoritative. 5. Determining the appropriate clothing. You can choose a suit with neutral color that will give a formal and professional impression. For women, you can apply natural makeup and not look expensive. There is no need to prepare too many clothes, just provide one suit. And the next material from group 2 about interview etiquette. What is the etiquette in the interview? 1. Interesting look. The first impression will be seen from the appearance of the prospective employee. When it comes to taking an interview, make sure to use clean, formal, and polite clothes. Of course, to give a positive impression regarding appearance and character. 2. Arrive on time. You have a make sure that you come to the interview at the right time. Don't be late when you come to the interview place. If you arrive 15 minutes earlier than the scheduled agenda, then at least you will have a long time to prepare yourself again before the interview session takes place. But it would be better if you come 1 until 2 hours before the interview session will start. 3. Be polite when entering the room. Try to be polite from the moment you set foot in the interview location. Start by saying thank you so whatever to you the interview room. In addition, when entering the room, be sure to knock on the door first. After entering the room, you should not sit down first. Wait until you are invited, or at least ask for permission if the interviewers seem to have forgotten to invite you to sit down. 4. Be friendly. A first impression that is present by someone will always be remembered by the interlocutor. Therefore, when invited to a job interview, try to smile and greet the interviewer first. Know that you are a warm and friendly person, because if you smile first, then of course the interviewer will smile back. And with a smile, the atmosphere will melt more and make you feel more comfortable during the interview process. 5. Take care of body language. Usually, when feeling uncomfortable in stressful situations, people subconsciously show certain movements that are easily recognized by others. For example, in stressful situations such as job interview, therefore you need to keep your body language normal in front of job interviewers. 6. Set the tone of voice. The tone of voice is not of the important things that you need to pay attention to during a job interview, because often communication misunderstanding are caused by an improper tone of voice. 7. Confident. Increasing self-confidence during job interview can be done by paying attention to appearance such as point 1 and understand and mastering the field of work you are applying for. You also have prepared the necessary document such as CV to further increase your confidence. 8. Turn off the phone when the job interview is conducted directly. Turn off your phone or make sure that notification and ringtone are not active so as not to interfere with the interview. 9. Chat up the storm. Chat up the storm can be interpreted as talking continuously extensively. This usually happens when people are nervous or even happen to people who are too eager to show off their speaking skill. Next, group 3. About what to wear in interview. We must really pay attention to our appearance, starting from our hairstyle or our hijab style. Then we must pay attention to our clothes and the color of our clothes. For the number of colors in our clothes, starting with the hijab if we use the hijab, then shirt or suit, then pant or skirt, all of which cannot be more than 2 colors at once. The avoid clothes that are flashy colors such as neon green, orange, and that avoid 1. Clothing that doesn't match the company culture. For example, when you are applying for a company that is known for its formal work environment, wear clothes that support the company culture. Likewise, with an office whose daily culture is casual, you can also adjust it so what you need to show in your clothes is your potential and ability that you can give to the company. 2. Wearing clothes with mini or sexy cuts during job interview that is done to avoid the impression of being disrespectful from the recruit team. 3. Clothes made of jeans because they seem informal. 4. Clothes that wrinkle easily. Attending a job interview with clothes that are wrinkled and not iron will give the impression that you are an untidy person. Even job interviewers can think that you are irresponsible because for this very simple matter you just cannot do it well. Next, you are advised to wear natural looking makeup color and avoid wearing too many accessories. Next, group 4. About talking about yourself. Tailor your answer to the role and company. When an interviewer asks that they really mean tell me about yourself, it isn't relevant to the position you are applying for in this company. I think they are giving you an opportunity to articulate essentially why you have the right qualification. For example, my name is Nurjana. I am 20 years old. I am a final year student at Polytechnic LP3I Pekanbaru, reading computer accounting. Whether I learn a lot of theory and subjects like corporate communication, international economic, corporate governance. And the next material from group 5 about strengths and weaknesses. Strength is capability or characteristic of an individual or team, which can be also described as the toughness of an individual or team to resist pressure in non-favorable situations and remain positive and constructive to come out from the situation as a winner. For example, please state your strength. 1. Can work in team. 2. Confident. 3. Creative. Weakness. Weakness can be described as the failure or attribute of an individual or team where they are not able to perform the work completely or not up to a level of satisfaction also. This may be due to having very weak physical strength or mentally or not strong to come out from the non-favorable situation to perform the activity. For example, please state your weakness. 1. Disorganized. 2. Empathy. 3. Passive. Next materi, group 6, about why do you want to work in this company? Why do you want to work for our company is often developed in job interview. This question is actually quite easy to answer because only you alone can answer the blessing to avoid these things. Then we must know how to answer this question without creating a bad impression. Focus on the company advantages in being with you, realize the skill you have to the position you are applying for and connect our goals, and avoid answer with general uses. Answer if you have not done your research. Don't forget that you haven't done your research. Answers that are short but firm and clear can be evidence if you have done in-depth research about the company being applied for. This will ensure HRD that you are the type of person who always prepare everything and the type of employee who is smart. For example, sentence to use when answering question. First, I feel my skill very suitable for this position because blah blah blah. Second, I believe I have the type of knowledge to success in this role and in the company because blah 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 blah. And third, I am happy with this job opportunity because blah blah blah. Next materi from group 7 about what can you bring to this company. Before we interview the company, there are several things that need to be prepared or brought to the company, such as the following. 1. Research the company website. 2. Review social media and professional networking account. 3. Study the job description. 4. Make a list of your core value. 5. Practice your communication skill. 6. Use the STAR interview response method. For example, I believe my experience with in design align perfectly with your requirements. I work extensively with the program as a graphic designer at Metis Marketing. We had one client that won a large advertising campaign that include flyer, podcasts, and magazine print advertisement. I work almost exclusively with InDesign to create most of the material. The client was so satisfied with the campaign that they continue to use Metis Marketing today for all of their advertisement needs. My technical design skill paired with my passion for a great customer service will make me successful in this role. Materi from group 8 about do you have any question? The importance of asking questions during job interview. It's important to ask questions during job interview because it shows your interest, provide a chance to learn more, and end the discussion on a high note. If you don't ask questions, the interviewer might think you have not done your homework or aren't interested in the opportunity. Follow the process below to answer. Do you have any question for me? Number 1, prepare for the question. 2. Research the company and your interviewers. 3. Conduct a mock interview. For example, what are the biggest college I watch face in these jobs? This question helps you assess whether your skill, prior experience, and personality are a good fit for the role. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.